us, so I had to kind of learn it the hard way, and I still, 30 years later or so, still I'm more happy with the yards and miles and feet and inches than what I really am with the metrics. Anyway, that's beside the point. Okie doke, Ken. Thanks very much for that report there, etc. Good to see the band open and doing its thing. And yeah, no, she's right. I was just double checking to make sure my beam was pointing out your way there. I think it is. I've been running the rotator pretty much all day today. We've been getting signals from almost every direction, including 229 Division, Heard Island. So it's all happening today. Okie doke, 014